Because if I applied this straight up and down on the outer corner, it would poke me. But if I curve it like this, it's not going to poke me. Close your eye. You're going to take your strip of lash tape horizontally and you're going to line it up with the base of your eyelid where your lashes grow out, but it's not touching the eyelashes. It's only touching the skin. See how I taped it down there? And then I'm going to lift it up. And I'm going to tape the rest of the tape up to my eyebrow like this and just give it a smooth over. Your eyeball's not going to dry out because every time we blink, our eye actually rolls to the back of your head and it distributes the moisture of your tears over your eyeball. So your eye will not dry out as long as you reptile blink, and I'm just blinking like normal. You can just see the eye rolling into the back of your head because it's taped up, and normally you can't see it, but it is still happening. The reason that we tape up the eye is so that we can see this pink waterline. That strip that your lashes grow out of is called the waterline. If anything gets into the waterline, that is what makes your lashes hurt, itch, or irritate you throughout the week. The only way to make sure nothing gets in the waterline is to be able to see the waterline. I'm going to take the Bond side of my gray Bond and Seal. I'm going to reptile blink so my eye doesn't dry out. And I'm going to apply this all over my lashes from root to tip. From root to tip. This is going to make sure that your lashes last a whole week and that they don't twist and turn throughout your sleep or anything like that. Once you get your lashes coated in that glue, just let it sit for a few seconds to get a little bit tacky. It'll get stickier and it'll make the whole process easier. So this kit goes from size 18 all the way down to what? Size 10, and it has a row of bottom lashes. You're gonna dip your applicator into a cup of water every single time you pick up a lash. The reason we do this is because during this process, the glue will get on your applicator and the lashes will try to stick to your applicator and it will be annoying. So I'm gonna go down here to the 18s and I'm just gonna grab the lash from the base, transfer it over into your other hand, and you're gonna come back around and you're gonna grab the tip. What you need to recognize is that you can't just apply all of your lashes straight up and down like this. As you can see, my outer lashes are angled this way, my inner lashes are angled this way. So you need to match the angle of the fake lash to the angle of your natural lash, because if I applied this straight up and down on the outer corner, it would poke. But if I curve it like this, it's not going to poke me. So instead of trying to break my hand like this, I just tilt my head and then it's just easier. We're going to come in and we're going to get this as close as we can get it to the base of our lashes, but without getting it inside that waterline. Side by side with no overlap. Just take your little shears like this and you just cut. We're going to apply it the same exact way. Once all of your lashes are on, we need to pinch our lashes. When you pinch your lashes, you need to dip your applicator in water each time or it will stick and it will tug. Come into the outer corner and I want you to start pinching your lashes. Pinch them from the root all the way up to the tip. Dip your applicator in water every single time, guys, or it's gonna tug. Come in a little bit farther and pinch these lashes from root to tip. I want you to pinch the fuck out of that half lash. You're gonna go in with the Seal side and you're just gonna tap a little bit of the Seal right at the base of your lashes. Don't overdo the Seal. Once you seal, now I want you to go in. I want you to do that entire pinching routine all over again the same exact way. Take a Q-tip. We're going to dip our Q-tip in water so it's not all fuzzy. Tap, tap, tap that water line. This is just going to make sure that there's no leftover Bond or Seal in our waterline. See how it got on the Q-tip? You're going to peel your tape off starting at the inner corner. Reptile blink, a lash reveal, lash reveal. Put the Seal up on the top.